In this video, I'm going to literally pull back the curtains on the business model that has made me over $10.2 million in the last few years. So you can literally just copy it. Now I know what you're thinking. Here is a dude with a beard in a strange room with a small YouTube channel and a big income claim. Well, no, I'm not going to sell you on anything on this video. I just want to explain my entire operation, how I made $10.2 million in the last few years. So let's jump into it. So you guys really want to know how I made $10.2 million in the past? Well, it wasn't all fun and games. I worked a lot of crazy jobs before I even created a digital product and took off with it. I was in entrepreneurship for a long time. I had odd jobs like working at a nursing home, working at fast food restaurants when I was young, and doing all these crazy jobs. I really found myself as not somebody that needs to go to school or work these odd jobs, but somebody that knows how to be a self-thinker and become an entrepreneur. So I decided to go the digital product route, and when this was not a hot commodity back then. And I think that this is the #1 business today, and it's only growing, and the market cap is huge, and lots of people are starting to get into it, which isn't a bad thing. Doesn't mean it's saturated. It just means it's growing. When something is growing, that means you need to hop in, because you could also take off with a digital product as well. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can make millions of dollars with your digital product and how I did from A to Z, made 10.2 million. I can walk you through the whole process here. So the first thing here is obviously finding something, what I call a blue ocean strategy. The blue ocean strategy, basically finding a product that nobody is using, like basically finding a niche nobody knows about, or a niche that people are not doing marketing the product right, or they're not coming out with the best type of value. Those are the niches that are going to explode. If you can get into, for example, let's pretend you want to get into the handstand niche. You want to teach people how to do handstands. You can sell literally an offer in that for like $30 a month and have a monthly membership, and then sell people on more things when they get the results. So there's all different types of niches you can get in. So the one thing I did to get to this level is I came up with a niche that everyone was not good at marketing. Nobody was coming out with content, and I can create a better offer than the people that are already doing it. And all the people in my industry basically had low ticket offers, which is like, $500, $100. So I came in and became the premium person. So there's different ways to become better in your industry. So I came in as the $5,800 package. And that is why I stood out, is because my product was the premium. So instead of being the McDonald's, I was the Versace. And a lot of people, like, you have to look at your market and see how your market is, but I saw my market as an opportunity. And you have to see, how does your market look like it could be an opportunity in your field? And that's what I did to start getting into this industry. I started coming out with organic content. So I started creating content, basically marketing and sales in this industry, and did it better than everybody else. I started creating sales funnels that was better than everybody else's. Like, I looked at everyone's like, wow, these guys are not good. So let me create sales funnels that are better. So you need to see, like, where is the weak point in this industry? It could be a language. So for example, let's pretend you go to the Spanish market and you know Spanish. No one's doing this. Everyone's doing it in USA, but no one's doing it in the Spanish market. You can go take over the Spanish market. Let's pretend that people's funnels are not good. They're not running any paid ads. You can start running paid ads. Let's pretend everyone's running paid ads, but no one's running paid ads on TikTok. You can run paid ads on TikTok. So it's all about different avenues of making you better. Better doesn't mean you have to have a better product. It just means you're hitting a certain angle differently and that nobody's hitting. So that is kind of what we did. We hit a different angle differently. We made better funnels, we made better content, and we hit an advertising section in the business, like a platform like Facebook ads and Instagram, and nobody was even running it there. We became the first Facebook ad giants in that industry to run ads. So that's what I want to show you is anyone can make a digital product. You just need to get it right in front of the right people and start cooking the product up. The thing is here is, what type of funnel did we start off with? So first thing funnel we started off with it's called the VSL funnel, which you're collecting name, email, phone number. Name, email, and phone number is always crucial on the page. We put a picture, and I also have a video here on the side that you can probably watch on my YouTube channel, me explaining the whole funnel process and all that stuff. So what it's going to have is the headline, name, email, phone number, picture, and you can exactly see what phone numbers are coming in, if those people look good, because you can see their email address, if they're in their industry, and then you can also start dialing these people to get them on sales calls. The next thing is we had something called a video sales letter, and our very first video sales letter was about 25 minutes long. It's basically showing your lifestyle, explaining the product, explaining why your product is good for them, and explaining the benefits, and then obviously sale. It's kind of like you're convincing their mind to buy something through, a VSL, which is a video sales letter. And the next thing is a thank you page. A lot of our thank you pages have testimonials. Ours has testimonials. Some of them don't. Some of them just have the unique mechanism with no testimonials. But we like testimonials because we want to show people that we've done it thousands of times. So that's exactly the first funnel we started off with. We still run it till today, but we run a variety of different funnels, and that's how you do it. Like the first thing is like coming out with organic content. It's a slow process, but you 100% have to do it. Like you can get there faster with paid ads, which that's the way we did it when we started off, but using organic content is the way that's going to keep things consistent. Even when you had dips with ads, you can keep it consistent with your organic content. And that's why you want to stick to organic content no matter what. Stick to the beginning. I know it's going to be slow, the growth, but once you hit that growth and you hit a lot of subscribers in the future or followers, you will make a lot of money. It just takes time. Time is the essence. Be patient. People are not patient nowadays because of TikTok, these social media platforms, and that is why they can't create a business, because they think it's just going to get handed to them. Nothing gets handed to you. You have to start off slow, or you get damn good at paid ads and you hire a mentor and you basically get good at paid ads. But honestly, like paid ads is really hard and you have to be doing it for a long time. Like, you can learn it right away, but if you have the money, you might as well just hire someone out to do it, because I think that's the best way to do it. And, that's the way we did it. We did paid ads, like I said. So keep building now we're building organic. That's helping us keep consistent sales. And then we're keep doing paid ads, which keeps everything growing. So to keep growing and stuff, the next thing we did is we came out with a new product. So you have this B2B product. Everyone starts off in a different phase. Some people start business to business. Some people start off with business to consumer, which is just normal average people with jobs. We started off with business to business, targeting businesses, and now we have a business to consumer. And that's how you grow and add in hundreds of thousands more by adding in another product. So you'll go to 200, 300,000 a month, and then to get to the next level, 400, 500 to a million, if you can't raise your price and it's stuck at a certain point, you can hit that revenue stream with the new product in B2C. So that's what we currently just launched recently, and that's going to take us to 500 to a million per month. So you have to be very, attentive to everything, and you have to really think deep down on how you can grow your business, because a lot of businesses get capped depending where they're at. A lot of B2B businesses can get capped because they're targeting a small pool of business owners in that industry. A B2C, business to consumer, you have to be super good at marketing and persuasive to basically persuade people in the B2C industry. So, but you can grow to a million a month very fast because there's so many people in that pool. So that's kind of like the strategy we did, grow your organic following, use paid ads, build a funnel, and then get leads in the door, start calling the leads, getting them on phone calls, and then pitching them a price. I have a lot of videos on this YouTube channel explaining what price points you can use to start off. You're just starting off, or if you are a seasoned business owner, you can start hitting your prices at $5,000 to $10,000 or even more depending on your industry. But it's pretty simple as that, like using these methods. And time is essence. Like I said, you get better with error. The more error you do, the better, because you just get better with time and improving the system to get there. And that's what we did to get to 3.1 million within a year. And now we're just growing because we just added our new product. So that is like what I would suggest doing. And obviously you can learn all this through my YouTube videos and seeing exactly how it's done from A to Z. And then you can expand your business and grow from there. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe down below. Watch the video that's coming on next, because it's going to teach you a lot more on how you can actually scale the business. And I'll see you in the next video.